Just arrived to Lake Comanche. We gotta get the boat all ready. I don't know if they're supposed to inspect my boat, but we'll figure it out here in a minute. There's these guys standing over here, and I'm not sure if they're the ones that are supposed to inspect it. But we're gonna get ready and see if we can launch. Paid and everything, so let's see what happens. Just got here, guys. We just launched the boat, 9:07. Have no idea where to go. It's 32 degrees, but we're gonna see what we could do. Let's go. Oh, you sure he's not on there? Oh my God. Oh my goodness, dude. Damn. Oh my God, that was huge. I don't think he hooked him.
Got fish. Yeah, fish.
Me too.
Oh, double.
Oh wow. Dude, yours looks big.
Oh gosh, it's like a 4. I don't know what it is though.
Huh?
I don't know what it is.
Oh my goodness.
I need to land this fish. Oh, I got a spot on. I got a nice spot on. Look at the spot.
Oh my goodness, dude.
Oh my God, I got a nice spot on.
We got. Oh shoot.
Here, give me that.
No, pull that.
Oh my gosh, my fish is right here. My fish is ready. Here.
Huh? Hold on, hold it.
Let me grab my fish.
Hold the net. Okay. Oh, dude, mine's huge.
Yeah, I know. I saw yours. Come here, girl. Come here, Leia. I got the 3-pound spot. Here, we're gonna get them both ways. No. Here. Let's take this out real quick. I'm gonna get this right there.
Dude, this thing is huge. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Dude, this thing is a fatty. Yeah!
Actually, mine's a largie, actually. Yours looks like a spot. Actually, not even long.
Oh my goodness, dude.
This is a spot.
This is a spot.
Look, it's in the mouth. That's a spot.
Dude, on a double.
Let's go.
Oh, look at that. Look at that, baby. Lake Comanche.
Wait. Oh my God, okay. Oh, 4 on the dot.
4 pounds. Hell yeah.
It went to 3.
Look at that.
It went to 2, and then 3.15, and then
4 pounds and a 2.7. Oh baby, 4-pounder. Hey, tell Nick the Informative Fisherman I'm coming for that 6.2 pound record, lake record. Come on, there it goes. Going back deep. Look at that.
Oh no, yo, I have a big fish.
Huh?
I have a big fish. Yeah, I have a fish. Yeah,
You got one?
Yeah, I have a fish.
Oh shit, I'm gonna break it off.
shit. Cause I was pulling up and I thought I was stuck. And I did this.
Yeah.
I was like, oh shoot, and it started running. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Okay.
Oh, it's a nice one. It's a largie though.
Hey, that's fun.
Huh?
That's fun. I see it.
Head shaker. Let's go, baby. It's gotta be a 4. Woo! That's a spot.
Is it? Oh shoot, it is.
That's a spot right there. Oh yeah, is that a spot? That's a spot.
Let me see the mouth.
That's a spot. That's a spot.
Hey, that's the. Take off the.
That's a spot.
I have to inspect this. I don't know.
That's a spot. Look at its mouth. It's hella small. That's a spot. Nice. Oh man, hold on. I'm trying to get me that lake record, which is 6.2 by the informative fisherman. Oh yeah, we're going crazy out here, man. All right, guys. Well, that's it. We didn't end up catching the lake record that Nick, the informative fisherman, has, but we did catch a few good ones. I caught a 4, a 3. He caught a couple 2s, and overall, coming to this lake for the first time, it was kind of fun. So I'm pretty sure we'll be coming back to this lake, and we're still gonna try to catch that lake record spot. All right. So if you guys enjoyed the video, click that thumbs up, subscribe, and keep fishing, guys.